Tell me what's going on, my friend. Let me start by getting the engine size, please.
My cell phone number is a 209.
No, time, hang on. The engine size.
I don't think I know. It's a large engine, whatever that is.
All right, we're just going to go with a 3-liter V6. All right, you can charge it, and it still doesn't start unless you jump it. Is that correct?
Well, unless you leave it sitting more than about 2 hours, yes. Charge it, and it's charged. I can start it once, then I have to bring my little box with me if I'm going to go anywhere.
Have you load tested the battery?
This is the third new battery it's had.
When was it replaced last time?
3 months ago.
All right, so it's probably not the battery. We probably have a battery drain or a battery draw.
That's what we were thinking. We're making sure we don't leave any doors open or anything that's going to activate the electrical.
Right. So when we see this in the shop, we run basically it's called a battery draw or a battery drain test. So you can run this test if you feel comfortable around a voltmeter. You could certainly do this. I could send you the specific details.
I'm not afraid of a voltmeter.
So what you're saying is I can send you this test and you'd be happy to do this test and you can follow instructions. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, well, why don't I go ahead and send you the test in the chat as soon as we're off the phone. It'll basically just walk you through. All we're doing is you're just going to hook up the voltmeter between the negative battery post and the negative battery, and then you'll measure the draw, and then you'll just pull one fuse at a time until the draw goes down or goes away. And then once we know what circuit it's on, then you can just let me know, and then I can pull a wiring diagram for you and help you trace down which component on that particular circuit is causing this problem.
What we're going to start with.
So what we're going to do is I'm going to let you go, and we're going to start with this test that I'm going to send you here. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to you in chat, and then I want you to read this test, and then you're going to have to apply basically these steps to your vehicle to figure out which particular circuit this draw is on. All right? So let me go ahead and send that over, and then you can read through it. If you have any questions, all you have to do is just reply back to the chat, and we can continue from there. And do you have any other questions while we're on the phone?
I'm upstairs in my office, and the car is in the driveway in the front.
That's good. We don't want the car upstairs. So
That means I can't get to it in a minute.
no, that's fine. Here's the thing. There's no hurry on my end. And I don't expect us to be on the phone while you're working on the vehicle. So that's why I'm going to give you this information. I'm going to let you go, let you work on it, and then you can come back and reply back at any time, and then we can go from there. All right, my friend, I'm going to let you go unless you got more questions. Do you have any other questions while we're on the phone?
No? What are you sending me to do?
We just talked about that. I'm going to send you the battery draw test.
Oh, well, I don't have it.
I know. Earlier I said I'm going to send it to you as soon as we're off the phone. And I'm going to send it right into our conversation on the website. So you're going to see it come through in about 2 minutes here. All right, my friend. Good luck, and let me know what you find.